हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू S2S क्लासेस। आज हम 10th क्लास के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। 10th क्लास में चैप्टर 5 अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, इसमें AP समांतर श्रेणी हिंदी में कहते हैं। तो इसमें हमने एक्सरसाइज 5.1 कर ली है। एवरी क्वेश्चन सॉल्यूशन डन। 5.2 आल्सो 14 question done, first to 14 in the last video. Now today forward we are going in exercise 5.2 NCERT book, question number 15 onward. Okay, now what is question 15? Question 15 is, for what value of n, and find the value of n. For which value of n are the nth terms of two APs? Are the nth term of two APs? First AP 63, 65, 67 and so on, and 3, 10, 17 and so on equal. ये पूछ रहा है किस वैल्यू n के लिए कि दोनों APs का nth टर्म इक्वल है, ऐसी कौन सी है। तो मीन्स वी हैव टू for what value of n question mark. So then it is given कि nth terms are equal. So first AP A equal first term 63, common difference D for the first term, first AP common difference 65 minus 63 2, 65 minus 63 2, check 67 minus 65 also 2, so D is 2. This for the first AP. Okay, so nth term is equal A plus n minus 1 into D. Then what is A? 63 plus n minus 1 into D. What is D? 2. Then into 2. Then multiply, then it will be 63 plus 2n minus 2, then it will come 63 minus 2 61, so 2n plus 61. It is nth term for the first series. Okay, now for second AP A equal first term 3, common difference D equal 10 minus 3 7, 17 minus 10 7, so D is 7. Okay, this implies nth term for the second series An equal A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 3 plus n minus 1 into D. D is 7. Okay, into 7. Now simplify. So this An equal 3 and minus 7, 3 minus 7 minus 4 and 7n minus 4. This is second equation. Both are equal, saying for which value of n both are equal. So according to question 2n plus 61 is equal 7n minus 4. 7n minus 4. These are the nth term of both the AP, saying both are equal for which value of n. So put both equal and find n. So this implies 2n will go that side, 7n minus 2n, 5n, and minus 4 will come this side, add with 61, 61 plus 4, 65, then n equal divide by 5, 13, okay, divide by 5 to 65, then 13, so n is equal to 13, so answer is for what value of n? 13, n is 13, okay, clear? Now next question number now 16, okay. Now what is question 16 in NCERT book, okay. Question number 16, determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12, okay. Two conditions are given in question 16. Third term value given 16. According to question 16, A3 third term, A3 equal to A plus 3 minus 1, 2, D is equal to given question 16, given 16, third term is 16, okay, and seventh term exceeds the fifth term, seventh term A7 exceeds बड़ी है, इंक्रीज है, ज़्यादा है, फिफ्थ टर्म से कितना? 12 ज़्यादा है, तो फिफ्थ टर्म में अगर 12 ऐड कर दें तो इक्वल हो जाएंगे, ओके, बिकॉज सेवेंथ टर्म इज exceeds, is more, is greater than the fifth term by 12. So fifth term is smaller. So then when will be equal? If we are adding in the smaller, how much difference? That is 12. So then according to question, these things, now solving A7 means A plus 7 minus 1, 6D is equal to A5. A5 means A plus 5 minus 1, 4D plus 12. Then simplify, A cancel, then 6D minus 4D, then 2D is equal to 12, then D is equal to divide by 2, then 6. Okay, so D has come from the second condition and put in the first D. First is A3, 16, this equation, then A plus 2 into D, D is 6, is equal to 16, then A equal to 2 6 is 12, 16 minus 12, this will go that side, minus, then A is equal to 4. So A calculated, D calculated, okay, then series we can make. So asking here in the question, what asking? Okay, determine the AP. So write that AP means, so AP, required AP, so required AP is A is 4, common difference 6, so 4 plus a D, A plus a D, 4 plus 6, 10, then 10 plus 6, 16, and so on. This is answer. Okay, this is the required AP. Done. So like this we should do. Now question number 17. Question number 17 in NCERT book. What is 17? Question 17 is find the 20th term. Find the 20th term from the last term. From the last term of the AP. Last term of AP. What is AP? 3, 8, 13. 3, 8, 13, and so on. And last term 253. Last term is 253. Okay, so from the last term, 20th term we have to find. So how many total term? How many total term? We should see that total term. Nth term is this. Okay, nth term, An. Solution, An is equal to 253. This implies A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 253. Okay, now A is 3 plus n minus 1 into D. D is here, common difference. Second term minus first term, 8 minus 3, 5. Check third term minus second term, 13 minus 8 also 5. So D is 5. Okay, put here 5 is equal to 253. Then solving. Okay, what will come? Now this will come 3 plus 5n minus 5 is equal to 253. Then 5n is equal 3 minus 5 minus 2. Minus 2 will go plus 2. So 253 plus 2, 55. Then n is equal to divide by 5. Okay, 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5. So total term are 51. Total term are 51. So if you want to take from the beginning, which term is 20th term from the end, that will be from beginning. Total term 51 minus 20 plus 1. Okay, this formula. Total term n minus r plus 1. One formula. N minus r plus 1 from beginning. From begin. From begin this n minus r. R is 20 from the end, 20th. R is 20. R is 20 from the end, 20th term, and that will be from the beginning. Total term minus 20 plus 1. So then total term. So from beginning required term equal n minus r plus 1th. That n is 51 minus 20 n plus 1. That will be 52 minus 20. 52 minus 20. Then 32. So from beginning that will be 32th term. So required term such that 32th term A32 A plus and minus 1, 32 minus 1, 31 into D. D is 5. Then A is 3 plus 31 into 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 3 ja 15. So 3 plus 155. Add then 158. This will be required term A32, and it will be in another method L, last term L, that L20 will be the same. Okay, 158 answer. So from the end 20th term is 158. This formula convert from the beginning. Rth term from the end is called the n minus r plus 1th term from beginning. ओके, शुरू से सीरीज की टर्म वो एक ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. ओके, क्लियर? क्योंकि एंड से फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड स्टार्टिंग से, तो जो एंड से 20th है वो बिगिनिंग से टोटल टर्म माइनस आर प्लस 1. दिस फार्मूला you have to remember to convert. Or other method also you can use. Which other method? Direct alternate method I want to tell. Okay, you can check 158 answer. Alternate method. Alternate method what is alternate? From the end direct L last term 253. Okay, common difference from the end, from end common difference D will be, if from beginning 5 to end say minus 5, opposite. Then L20, 20th term from the end, L plus n minus 1 into D. This formula you can use. Then from the end 20th term, from end 20th term equal L20. L is 253 plus N is 20, 20 minus 1, 19 into D. D is here minus 5. From the end, D will be opposite sign what is from beginning. If beginning D is negative, then from end positive. Reverse process. Okay? Then this is alternate method. You can solve then 253 and then minus 19 5 ja 95. Then subtract 13 minus 5 8, 4 14 minus 9 5, 14 minus 9 5, then 1. So check this answer and this answer, both same. So which term from the end, 20th term, that will be from the beginning, total term n minus 20 plus 1. So total term we have calculated that how much was there, 51. So that was method from the beginning, and it is direct method from the end we can do. This is short method. Okay, so short method you can apply this from the end, this formula. L is called the last term, and from last 20th term that will be as A plus formula from beginning. So from end L is the last term. So L plus n minus 1 into D, and D will be the opposite sign. What is D from the beginning? Opposite of that will be from the end. You have to take. Okay, you can do any method. Okay, now this important question was there, 17th question in NCERT book. Now question number 18. What is question 18? Question number 18. See in the NCERT book question 18, the sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP, sum of the 4th and 8th terms, sum of the 4th and 8th term, 4th term and 8th term, sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24. Is 24 given. Okay, according to question 18, this is given. And the sum of the 6th and 10th terms, and sum of 6th and 10th term, 6th and 10th term sum is 44. This also given according to question. Okay, solution. Now what? Simplify these two variable, linear equations in two variable, as in third chapter we have solved. We can solve. Find the first three terms of the AP. Okay, now solving equation 1 and equation 2. How? From first, A4, A plus 3D plus A8 term, A plus 7D is equal to 24. Simplify more, like term, A plus A, 2A, 3D plus 7D, 10d is equal to 24, equation 1. Okay, or we can write this, simplify, because it is divisible by 2 every term. So divide by 2, a plus 5d is equal to 12. Okay, now second term, second is 6, a plus 5d plus 10th term, a plus 9d is equal to 44. Then simplify a plus a, 2a plus 5d plus 9d, 9 plus 5, 14d is equal to 44. This implies, or divide by 2, so a plus 7d divide by 2 is equal 22. This is equation number 2. Solve these both equations. Okay, solving equation 1 and 2, subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Okay, a minus a cancel out. Equation 2, subtract equation 2 from 1. 5d minus 7d minus 2d is equal 12 minus 22, 10. Okay, minus 10. Clear? Then minus minus cancel, then divide by 2, then 5. D is 5. Put d in equation 1. Putting d equal to 5 in any one equation. So in equation 1 I am putting, then what will come equation 1? A plus 5d, a plus 5d, d is 5, a plus 5 into 5 is equal to 12. Then simplify, a will come 5 5 is 25, 12 minus 25. So a is equal to 12 minus 25 is equal to minus 13. Okay, so a is minus 13 and d is 5. So required AP first term a is minus 13 comma d is plus 5, minus 13 plus 5, a plus d, minus 13 plus 5 plus minus 8. Next term again plus d, d is 5, so plus 5, minus 8 plus 5, minus 3, and so on. Answer required AP 3 terms asking only, no need to give the forward, 3 term asking, done. So similarly we can do like this, very simple. Take interest, watch, like, share and subscribe the channel and give the comment in comment box. एंड आप अपना शेयर ज़रूर करें, कॉन्टैक्ट जितने भी आपके पास हैं वीडियो को शेयर करें, सभी तक जाए। जो देखना चाहते हैं वो देख लेंगे, जिनको बेनिफिट लेना है वो ले लेंगे, और इसलिए आपका फ़र्ज़ है कि आप सभी को शेयर करें, फॉरवर्ड कर दें जितने भी कॉन्टैक्ट हैं। ओके, थैंक यू।